I'm looking.
Mommy, watch. Mommy, watch this. Hey, Mommy, how am I supposed to catch these? How am I supposed to catch them?
What are you doing?
I'm just putting him in. Get up, I can't catch him.
Who did that?
The guy who got the bear.
What kind of guy was it?
Huh?
What kind of guy was it?
Clown.
The clowns? It's called juggling.
I want to try to do that.
You know what are you doing, Tegan?
Can you show me that, please?
I can't do it. Daddy can. I can't. I've tried before. Tegan, are you making brother laugh? He's gonna get you. Tegan, go back to him. Tegan, go back.